We have mom, dad, and daughter out here exercising in the field. Oh. And there's nothing better than an English pointer on point. There's nothing classier. And these dogs, they want to please. They just want to be with you. They want to hunt with you. They want to do what you ask of them. They want to be good dogs. I'm just standing here and watching them run around the field together. And it's an amazing God-given talent that they want to search for birds. They want to retrieve them. And Gus is just special. He's amazingly talented. He is very smart. He's gifted. Oh, there's his daughter. This is Mia. I think she's going to have her dad's gift for intelligence and sense of smell and willingness to please. She even looks like him. Aren't they cool looking together? Oh, she's on point there. Fine, Mia. Good girl. And there's Mom over there hunting too. That's what they live to do. They're amazing. Just gifted animals.